Start off by unzipping the bag and removing the base. Next, remove the support bars located in the back of the base and set them aside. Rotate the Blackfoot 90 degrees and set on the table. Now take your support bars and connect them together to form the support pole. Take the metal part of the pole and place it fully into the hole on top of the base. Next, roll the banner up and connect the banner's top rail to the black connecting piece on the support pole. To connect the extension bar, disconnect the banner from the support pole and remove the pole from the base. Now, connect the extension bar to the support pole and place back into the base. Roll up your banner and connect the banner's top rail to the black connecting piece on the support pole.